Hello, AI enthusiasts. Welcome to today's AI News Roundup brought to you by AI. I'm your host, Babs, and I've got the latest updates on artificial intelligence developments from around the world. Let's dive in. Our news for today includes Air Force Secretary plans to ride an AI-operated F-16 fighter aircraft this spring. Fox News. China's AI-driven election meddling in Taiwan points to 2024 risks in U.S. The Hill. eBay uses AI to deliver personalized recommendations to fashionshoppers.com. And Aboard's AI-powered bookmarking and project app is a new spin on a chatbot, The Verge. Let's jump into the headlines. Air Force Secretary Frank Kendall plans to ride in an AI-operated F-16 drone to experience the future technology of the military fleet. The Pentagon is seeking low-cost AI drones to add 1,000 new drones to the Air Force, with companies like Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and Northrop Grumman competing for the contracts. The drones will provide cover, act as escorts, scouts, or communications hubs for human-piloted jets. Cost-cutting and countering China's air defense systems are driving the project. The goal is to have the drones cost about a third or less than building an F-35 fighter. Taiwanese groups have outlined a major disinformation campaign employed by Chinese actors during the country's national elections, using generative AI to manipulate videos and sow discord. The disinformation narratives focused on the U.S., accusing Washington of various actions and portraying Beijing as the source of good and order. Chinese actors are pushing to fortify a pro-Beijing alternative worldview, both in Taiwan and the U.S. Microsoft warned that China's disinformation campaigns may improve their ability to influence elections. The disinformation campaign in Taiwan was spread on popular apps like TikTok. China's AI-driven disinformation efforts have intensified, with attempts to acquire Taiwan's social media accounts and pay influencers. The Taiwanese elections delivered a blow to Beijing with the victory of a pro-U.S. candidate, solidifying Taiwan's preference for closer ties with the U.S. China also intimidated Taiwan during the elections. The scope of the disinformation campaign was bigger than the last election, with AI boosting the spread of content. eBay has launched an AI enhancement called Shop the Look that uses consumers' shopping history to present personalized fashion recommendations. The feature is currently available on iOS in the US and UK, with plans to expand to Android. eBay is considering expanding the feature to other product categories. PYM's intelligence found that 44% of consumers are interested in integrating AI technologies into shopping experiences. Etsy has also deployed AI technology to help shoppers find gifts through its gift mode feature. The Hub uses both AI and human curation to recommend items from Etsy sellers based on recipient information. Aboard is a web app that has evolved from a link organizer to a visual AI tool powered by OpenAI's GPT 3.5. It allows users to organize, research, and create workflows by generating boards with relevant information. While the AI's performance is sometimes hit or miss, the founders envision its main use case in professional settings, saving time and meetings for data organization. Aboard's flexibility and ability to parse URLs make it a clever way to redesign the output of a large language model. The goal is to provide a starting point for customization. As part of a new class of AI companies, Aboard aims to build new things and interactions with AI models, acting as a software generator to quickly kickstart users' work. And that's a wrap for today's AI News Roundup. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily AI updates. If you're looking to catch up on any news you might have missed, check out one of the other videos on the screen. And hey, why did the AI break up with his girlfriend? She couldn't decode his emotions. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious and keep embracing the future.